this is more. This is another way. We're still working on the pineapple cake. You need to get like cherries like this, like the royal cherry. Then you put it here. Then you get another one. And then the same goes on and on.
Aba, may cherry pa ba yan?
Yeah.
Gagaling lang itong batang ito, Diyos ko.
If you get squished, don't care. Probably have enough cherries. You probably have enough spares to come around. And oh, by the way, this is my second time making a pineapple cake.
How do you make pineapple cake? Upside down? Put the pineapple down?
And also, I made this one. I made
Bakit ba kailangan niya upside down?
Cake. I first
Mga singit kayo.
my first time.
Alin ba ang pineapple na kinuha mo?
Andre, you picked on your nose and you're cooking?
Ay, malaki ba anak ang kinuha mo? Kaya maliit.
It's fine.
Ay, Utoy, baka ba may dumulas, hindi patay ang iyong paa, oh? Look.
It's fine.
And when I first made my
that looks good.
Was in the, November on
Thanksgiving.
on Thanksgiving, like she said.
Sabay kinuha ng pinulat na yung chair.
Okay, very good. And then you put one on each side.
Then you do this.
Okay,
Then you do the same thing with these things.
Oh, alin ba yun? Alisin. Which one? Kasi ba yung cherry mo?
Kakainin mo ba yan, Mama?
Oo.
Hindi ko naman alam kung alin.
Gawin na.
Ba't mo naman hindi binuhos sa isang container na madali niyang kukunin?
Tilt the jar, Andre, so it's easy. There we go. That's the way.
Very good.
And oh, by the way, if you have a bigger tray, you can just not cut it, right?
Yeah.
We have a smaller tray.
Okay, so what do we do next?
Then we
Pour
pour in the batter.
Okay.